Hi, here's another video. I've got this e-bike that's had some work done on it, on the brake cylinder, and there's no brake fluid left in there. I'll show you. Just undoing the reservoir cover, and there's a little window here which will indicate if there's fluid in there. You will be able to see the fluid in there, but it's empty. Let me just show you here. Pop this cover off and show you the top here. Let me just freeze frame this and show you. See, there's no fluid in there. It's supposed to be full of mineral oil, hydraulic fluid, which is here, and I'm going to top it up using this syringe here. There is a correct kit you can use for refilling the system, and like I said, this one's completely empty. So first thing I'm going to do is remove this bleed screw on the caliper. As you can see, no fluid came out, so all I'm going to do is pump some fluid in to screw the syringe into the cylinder, and you can see me just pumping the fluid in, and that'll go all the way up to this reservoir, and you can hear the air bubbles coming out, and that's run out. I'll just pop another syringe in, pop another syringe in place, and carry on pumping the fluid, the mineral oil, through. You see the level coming up there. So what I'm going to do is just pump this brake lever. You can see me pumping the brake lever, and this will release more air. You can see there, and I'll just top it up again and continue to pump the lever. At this stage, I'm more than likely dispelling the air from the actual trigger itself rather than the actual air line, the brake line. And I'll just continue to fill the reservoir. Okay, I think I'm pretty much done here. I think there's no more air left in it. It's just fluid now. Yep, so it's just a case of removing the syringe and popping the bleed screw back over on the caliper. You see me doing here. I'm just popping the bleed screw back in, and now I'm just going to pop the reservoir cover back over and undo the bleed screw, which I have done here. I'm just tightening up the reservoir cover. Just 2 screws. Let me just wipe up this mess that seems to be dripping down the side here. Okay, I've undone the bleed screw on top of the lever, and all I've got to do is screw this syringe inside and put fluid in it, as you can see there. And as I'm pumping the lever, all the air is coming out and the fluid's going in, and I'll just repeat that process until the air stops. You can see the fluid level going down. Okay, so as you can see here, there's no more air coming out. That's full now, and I've got pressure on the lever. So it's just a matter of removing this syringe, just unscrewing it. Like I said, there is a correct kit for doing this, but I found this syringe adequate, and it's just a matter of popping the bleed screw back over and tightening it up. And obviously I'm going to have to clean the area a bit. Let me show you here. See, I've got brake pressure now. So it's just a matter of tightening the handle. I have to raise it to the vertical position. There you can see all done. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.